Okay. Ojuma.
Papa, Yamisram. The American NDC for them. So, Omawi. To position what check. Because woman near at the Chenti, Yason Group will be a moon. And you know, Musi say, see, you couldn't move. Because woman to be mercy, more my Ghana. And you are the Jew almost Gongo. The former president, Mama, or Koda will be asked and answer for your politics. Who will be asked for that and a politics putting our way and Drew. Then you go and drop our several beginner. Also, putting our politics. The American say, oh my Ghana, you have a coin in teenage and people boy Juma won't. You have a coin, papa. Nayanga, you boo. Man, you do. Diana, say vision. Never yourself, say, Presa. And the Dean and people, Papa, gets one conversation. One more, my Ghana, next year would be.
Okay. But that's and also with the idea about if a last one. Majo. Yeah, Gado. Young Quena, a woman of Jinason and then Cherry Honajan on into Quay.
You can't get pious day to Banks and Semikiano.
You.
Miss Sister, Honorable Jennifer. Wow, bra, like you could do, catch check. And the embedded year, but my Lusu contact to Misu Nyanam, sister Vibia Sisa.
Confobonia or my mono or Timubi. I am now repose, Unya Sebi, a man for but not radio swa. Omun Cousin Papa Bia, Ghana ancient Kwa. And every time when I speak about this, fix the country, any of my agenda, no, now me didn't come on media, not CSA. It took one stupid journalist, kill the cockroaches, and a Tutsis, and a Hutsus, a wui, a Rwanda. My doorstep, Nankofobe started in Sekainaba. When people are fed up with Trona Muchana, a bedroom baby, no, they will strike on you. Samaya Madin Samu instigate public no against their leaders. No, be our law school, bet me a say. Oko Harvard, one call UCC, na eko ibino, Oko Harvard. A Harvard lawyer. At this point in time, to meet na radio, so, to me can say, yan to constitution in Tonkini. A treasonable offense. This is treasonable offense. Because constitution can stipulate Article 2 or so. A kind of point blank say, any attempt, ni pebi obe attempt oh. Obe attempti so obe to constitution na egu no say ye di na sem na odi for the punishment is death. So in any dialogue now they will see yemfa choboy yen to how do you display Jesus Christ? I have been one say me tie okatehia free fa at the point in time what me kasana wasana tono no me hu say sa me predesa pani agimi ampa enye pani bia de nim nyansa. So Ghana, for these guys are using your mind to play tata ludu no modeto. Okatechie nu mu asem say onim policy formulation A plus because A plus level 200 and on level 400. Into we mu the Ghana eba experiment. Project work omo the Ghana governance eba project work. Hey Ghana, yeah mistake. Na me blame you obi me blame social media and MPP communication. Me blame baby social media and MPP communication. 1 week and one fast track. So be catch out say or level 400 in policy formulation or I think local school or new impo on practicing you theory no ba kosuya A plus or level 200 and o katachia free for level 400. Omo the Ghana be experiment. Ghana baba be theory omo the be experiment. These are the people calling for a new leadership. Calling for youthful leadership. Ghana, so selfless leadership. People who are gullible like themselves. Okay, take free for the can. Or see the reason why A plus man, A plus bisa say after demonstration, what next? How many policies be and on no them? You see, the Okako school, no, what the whole Ghana no, what the Ghana Baba Bedani can say project work. And over trust some media my The fact hit. They just can't stand the heat. We have one Ghana, but the NDC are not seeing zero. Abusafo, okateche free for say over level 400. I feel was policy formulation. And an A plus, back, kwame A plus, babano over level 200. Into a no one saying, in this obisa say, omo policies were here. Or person say, you need to set an agenda, not public new ones. You see, these people are so cheap in knowledge. So cheap in knowledge. No, man can't of what you say. Me say, me say me wotumia and me nentino, but me can. I will regulate the way people use social media in Ghana, just like you would Dubai here. If I have the opportunity, National Communication Authority, I will regulate how you people use social media in Ghana, because more than social media you see. You are the most less endowed people of Ghana. Munim social media no she and one say we talk data 2 cities are not the become passes now ko the dim penifo now ko then you get a you onion kofo on media. They went to Harvard, my foot. Grace, I won't go Harvard. Me, if I have the opportunity, something Kasemba a communication authority of Ghana, make a say regulate the usage of social media in Ghana. I used to watch passport grandparents now on YouTube. Because you know how this social media can destroy a whole community and a whole country. You know, say you need. And this is a propaganda being propagated by NDC gradually. Nkofoni isuadie, nkofoni hunyansa omoniti. Ntomu njesa ayentro ni ntwam aloteje ko beka kire say, omu twantro to former president Kofo say, wakwa we have $5 million na yentro. You see this kind of a party. Omu formulating intro the to papa so, who should we vote for? We should vote for A+. Aloteje Cops. Ebe confess say they lied against the former president. So I got $5 million a day na yentro. A party obet me catch the followers say Kofo win presidency or the Pubeko Kumasi na be munso agedi. And they won the elections in Ghana. These are how cheap and gullible some people are in Ghana. It's a very simple say, oh yenko, so you go to the ghettos. Yenko ghetto, yenko, yakodi 1.5 million, yen check akra more money for akra. You see, a drew A plus, namusu, scanner uncochedi namusu. Regular social media, you said. That is why we need to fix the country. Yeah, Grace Aqua, yeah. Country need the Obianka say, Mamian fix it. But somebody is fixing the country. Somebody is fixing Grace. The country is not yet fixed, but it is in the process of being fixed. Man, you can't tell me say fix the country need A plus, no free. People who are now studying policy formulation, level 200, level 400, and about at the Ghana Baba, and now Grace, why would you want with the A plus? So on for life, I'm a chacha. I feel also the way it's be a policy formulation. Or no, the Mians say, oh, Mama school the way. Ah, tried and tested. The world is ruled by people, men who have intellect, not people who are seeking those stupid opportunities. That's what the world are. And we are saying, Nipa or my dream will be a nebu mine. Corruption even in US every now and then people are being tried. Ghana a common de Ghana for a no crap. But Mamun Kasana Nado, why zero? Why Juma? If we want us to go back to John Dramani Mahama, so yeah, Juma Matthias here, Nanado de Onyeshi in 5 years on Yeshi. Ghana for Nanado Yeshi in 5 years, Matthias here. But a day in Pa na Ubejinaso, what basis and your propaganda? Now the Bekas and Nanado Yeshi. This is because the communication machinery in MPP is weak. Mr. Yawabia Samwa, wake up. We are lawyer, Unim Kasa, wake up. Have you finished your attitude? Wake up. Let Ghanaians sing the song of Ronaldo. A Juma Waye. Say minimum every morning, baby beko biano, you best start outlining what the president has done. What MPP has done and sana. Political show biashas here. You have about 5 minutes. I use 2 minutes to showcase what Nanado is doing. Let people listen to you. Start a hashtag that is going to go viral with what the country is being moved to. There be a country needs to be equal. Mr. Yabobi Asamoah also start a hashtag and make sure the way MPP a year more Ghana. Men tell you what you say Ghanaians will be descending enough. No matter so